friends, once again welcome to my channel Shortcuts. As you have all seen the thumbnail, today we are going to do some mind-blowing shortcuts. So let's start our video. In the first part, we are going to find the square of numbers which ends in 5. Let's take an example, 15. If you want to find the square of 15, it's just a matter of time. First of all, just take the square of 5, which is 25. Then multiply the adjacent number of this number, which is the number which is left to the 5. That is 1 into 2, which is 2. So we got the answer 225. Let's take another example, which is 25. What is the square of 25? It's also just matter of time. First of all, take the square of 5, which is 25. Then, as I said, multiply this number with its adjacent number, which is 2 into 3. That is 6. So we all know the square of 25 is 625. Let's take a bigger number, which is 95. First of all, take the square of 5, which is 25. Then multiply adjacent number, that is 9 into 10, which is 90. So we got the answer 9025. Then 105. What's the square of 5? 25. Then, as I said, the adjacent number of 10 multiplied by 10, that is 10 into 11. We all know the multiplication of 10 into 11 gives 110. So 110. So this is the answer. Isn't it very easy? Yes. Now I will solve a question without saying the steps. That is 75, 25, 'I have got the answer in just 4 seconds. That is 5625. Let's check it out. If you look here, 75 square, which is, you can all see, it is 5625, which we have got here. So, how was this method? Like if you like this method. So, I am giving you some questions to solve, which is 65 square, 85 square, 115 square, 35 square. You just solve this question and be a master of this method. This method will be very helpful in a question like finding the area of the circles which have the radius that ends in 5. Now you may have some questions that what if the number does not end in 5? In this channel you have the shortcut for that too. Let's move on to that. So let's do that. Let's take an example as 47 square. We don't have a number ending with 5 here. So what to do? This question can also be done in 5 seconds. How? First of all, write the square of each term here. That is 7 square, which is 49. Then 4 square, which is 16. This is step 1. Next, we want to multiply these numbers. That is 4 into 7 into 2. We all know that, which is 56. Just add it. 9. We got the answer as this. This will be the square of 47. Let's check. (47) square. As you all can see, this 2209, which we have got here. Isn't it very easy? Let's do more questions. Next, we can do 83 square. It's a pretty high number. We can't find the square of this number so fastly. But without a calculator, we can know the answer in just 5 seconds. Let's solve. First of all, 3 square, which is 9. Don't write it as just 9. We want to put a 0 if it is a single number, single unit number. Okay? Now 8 square, which is 64. This is step 1. Now multiply 8 into 3 into 2, which we all know, which is 48. Just add it. 9, 8, 8, 6. So the answer of 83 square will be 6889. Isn't it very easy? Yes, it is. Now let's move on to another question, which is 71 square. We know 1 square. Don't write it as 1, write it as 0, 1. 7 square, which is 49. 7 into 1 into 2, which is 14. Just add it. We will get the answer as 5041. I know you are amazed, but don't be amazed. Just do it and just be the master of squares. With this technique, you can gain so much time in examinations. So let's do the next question. Let's take 53 square. 3 square, which is 9, write it as 09. 5 square, 25. Multiply this, we will get 30. The answer will be 2809. So simple. Now I am going to the next part. Starting with this question, we have another method to solve this type of questions. You know the speciality of this number? There is no big speciality. This is a number which is close to 50. That's all. Now we are going to learn the shortcut method for finding the squares of numbers which is near to 50. So let's move on. So this is our question, 48 square. We know it is a number close to 50. For doing this question, the thing you want to remember is 25. Just remember that number and put it there. Let's start solving this. So first of all, find the difference between these two numbers. We know it is 2. And find the square of that, which is 04. Then subtract that number with 25. That is 25 minus 2, which is 23. So the answer of this question will be 2304. Don't forget, don't subtract the square of the difference of the number, just the difference with 25. Let's do once more. Let's take 45 square. First of all, find the difference with 50. We know it is 5. What square of 5? It is 25. 25 minus 5, which is 20. So the answer will be 2025. I know you are all amazed once more. So let's do another question, which is 49 square. With 50, it have just 1. So the difference square will be 1, 0, 1. 25 minus 1, which is 24. The answer will be 2401. Aren't you amazed? So this is the method to find the square of the numbers which is close to 50. Not only a number which is less than 50, we can find the squares of numbers which is greater than 50. Let's take the example as 53 squares as we said. What the difference of this number with 50? Yes, 3. Find the square of this number. That's 9. 25 minus 9. What is 25 minus 9? Sorry, 25 minus 3. But this is wrong. We all know that when a number is less than 50, we take it as positive. When a number which is greater than 50, we will take the difference as negative. So the difference is negative 3. So 25 minus negative 3 will be 28. Just put it here, 2809. Isn't it the same answer we have got before? Let's take another question. Let's take 54 square. Let's do it. We know the difference will be minus 4, not 4, minus 4. When we want to find the square of numbers which is greater than 50, by this method, just take the difference as negative. So minus 4. Minus 4 square will be 16. Now 25 minus 4, which is 29. So the answer of this question will be 2916. Isn't it very easy? Yes, you know this answer will get in just 5 seconds. And if you master it, you can do it in just 3 seconds.